All right, everybody. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I am Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, cryptocurrency investor, and I am very bullish on the price of one of the most popular cryptocurrencies this year, also known as Cardano or ADA, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I am very bullish about this cryptocurrency. And I actually have a price target of over $12 per coin by the end of this year, ladies and gentlemen. That is going to be a massive return. So if you haven't already invested in this cryptocurrency on Coinbase or Binance or whatever, you need to get in now because I have done some serious analytical research. And I'm going to prove to you that everybody else's predictions of where Cardano is going to be in a year or half a year from now are flat out wrong. This is a massive, massive opportunity. And people have missed one key ingredient that's going to drive the price increase of Cardano. So let's go ahead and dive into this awesome Excel sheet that I've made that I'll actually attach to this video that you can use to do your own cryptocurrency analytics with Cardano. I am so excited, ladies and gentlemen. So let's dive right into it. So I have taken the time tonight to make this Cardano ADA market cap forecast for the end of this year, December 31st, 2021. Now, on the top left here, let me zoom in a little bit. We have the total coin supply, the price per coin, and the total market capitalization of Cardano. So right now, we have almost 32 billion coins in circulation. And the current price of each coin, as of the last time I checked, was $1.84. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's going to go over $12 per coin by the end of the year, and I'm going to show you why. So the total market cap of Cardano, and this has exploded. I mean, look at this growth. It is almost $60 billion. $60 billion. And this is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I've downloaded a lot of source data, as you can see here. So this is on a different tab. But basically, it gave me the opening and closing prices of Cardano starting from the May 31st, 2018. Now, I've used this data to compute a bunch of statistical numbers. But the main thing I want you to take away is that I have calculated the average annual growth rate of this cryptocurrency. Now, in the first year since its inception, it actually had a pretty rough year. It went down by 57% year over year. And then the next year it went down even more. So if you got into this cryptocurrency early and you stayed in, you have some serious diamond hands. But if you stayed in this cryptocurrency, you were rewarded with massive parabolic growth. Because in year 3, the third year of this cryptocurrency's existence, this has gone up almost 2,000%. And year to date, that's in the past 5 or 6 days, this crypto has gone up an additional 6.9%. So, on average, this cryptocurrency, one cryptocurrency, Cardano, ADA, has gone up on average 483% per year. So that is the assumption I am going to use to extrapolate what this cryptocurrency's market capitalization will be. Now, if you didn't have my insight, you would say, oh, I'll just take the average annual return, multiply it by the fraction of the number of days that are left in the year, and that'll tell me roughly what the market cap of Cardano is going to be by December 31st, 2021. But there's one factor that everybody, and I mean everybody, is missing, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you just did that, if you were small-minded and you didn't know much about cryptocurrency, you would project that Cardano's market cap would be $164 billion by the end of the year. But that is a terrible assumption because there's something else, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to have a massive impact. Now, if you didn't know, the Congress and the President have recently passed a law that expanded the child tax credit. So if you have a child under 6 years old, you're going to get a $3,600 tax credit per child for this year. And if you have a child that's over 6, and all the way to 17 years old, you're going to get $3,000 per child. So if you do the math, which I did the research, there are currently about 23.6 million children under the age of 6 in the United States. And there's just under 50 million children between the ages of 6 and 17 in the United States. So if you factor in that everybody is going to take their child tax credit and invest it in Cardano, which I think will happen, that would increase the market capitalization of Cardano by an additional $233 billion. Now, you may think I'm crazy. Oh my God, Chris, there is no way that every single person is going to take their child tax credit and invest it in Cardano. Well, let me tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, this current stock market is massively overvalued, and people are going to be flush with cash with these child tax credits. Now, where do you think they're going to put the tax credits? You think they're going to invest it in Apple, Amazon? No, they're all overvalued. But when people see the massive average annual returns of Cardano and cryptocurrency in general, I mean, look at that, 483% on average per year. People are going to put their money in Cardano, and that's going to be the only cryptocurrency they put their money into. Now, you can disagree, and we can actually change the numbers. But at the end of the day, even if only half the people put all their child tax credit into Cardano, we would still have a massive expansion in the total market capitalization. So, if everybody invested their child tax credit into Cardano, which I think is a distinct possibility, call me crazy now, but we'll see who's laughing by the end of the year. That would be $233 billion put into Cardano. Now, if you add that amount of money flooding into this amazing cryptocurrency, the revised market cap of Cardano by the end of this year, mark my words, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be $400 billion. Now, that would make, assuming there's no dilution of the coins, there's no more coins created, that would make each coin be $12.45, which if you buy it right now, even at its current, basically almost all-time high, you would still get a 575% return on your money. Look, ladies and gentlemen, call me crazy, but I think this is going to happen. Cryptocurrency is the future. People don't want to hold their money in cash, the dollar, which gets devalued by money printing. They're going to want to pursue assets and invest their money in assets that are going to preserve their wealth for the long run. And the best asset that you can put your money in to preserve it is cryptocurrency. And the best cryptocurrency is Cardano. So I believe, and I am bullish on this 100%. So I would say right now, take whatever you have and put it into Cardano, because you are about to see a parabolic increase in the price of this cryptocurrency. Now, the child tax credits, they're going to start getting paid out in the next, month and a half, 2 months, and you're going to rapidly see that a lot of people's money is going directly to where I said it was going to go. So that's my bullish thesis, ladies and gentlemen. If you disagree with me, you can leave a comment and we can have a reasonable discussion. Please also like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency predictions. And you guys have a wonderful day.